Thank you for choosing ResMed's AirFit F10, the mask that offers full face benefits in a compact size. As you'll find out, it's easy to clean. Let's take it apart. Firstly, unhook the upper headgear straps from the frame like this. And then the lower straps. There's no need to undo the fastening tabs, and by leaving them on, you can retain your own personalized headgear settings. Now take off the soft sleeves, like this. Remove the elbow from the mask by pushing in the side buttons and taking it out. Then hold the bottom of the hook and squeeze in both lower corners of the cushion like this, and it easily pops away from the frame. Now let's clean. Always follow cleaning instructions to optimize the performance of your mask. Hand wash the mask cushion, frame, and elbow daily by rubbing in warm soapy water using mild soap. Use a soft bristle brush to thoroughly clean the vents and elbow after every use. And you should hand wash the headgear and soft sleeves once a week in warm water using mild soap. After rinsing well in tap water, allow all components to air dry completely, avoiding direct sunlight. Before you put your mask back together again, look for signs of wear and tear, such as cracks, and replace any worn parts. Replacing your mask and individual parts at recommended intervals is one of the most important steps you can take to maintain optimum therapy. Now, press the top of the frame onto the rest of the mask. It easily clicks into place. Then the lower corners like this. If you're using the optional soft sleeves, just slide them onto the frame like this. Check that the ResMed logo on the headgear is facing outwards and right side up. Attach the top headgear straps to the frame by looping through each of the upper headgear hooks. And then attach the elbow to the mask by pressing the side buttons and pushing in. Give a gentle tug to make sure it's on securely, and your mask is ready to use again. This video is part of a series of 3 for ResMed's AirFit F10. The other 2 cover fitting and user tips. We hope you find them helpful. The AirFit F10 is unobtrusive by design and provides you with uninterrupted vision. So when you're wearing the mask, you can read, watch TV, and even wear glasses while your therapy is ramping up. Life starts with a mask that helps give you the sleep you'd like, so you can enjoy every day. And appreciate the simple things in life that are often the most rewarding. The AirFit F10 is part of ResMed's AirFit range, the right fit for you.